In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your Epic Games account to your Nintendo account, step by step. This is really useful if you want to play Fortnite or other Epic Games titles on Nintendo Switch. Keep your progress connected and make sure your accounts are properly synced. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games account portal. You can do this from any device, so whether you're on a computer, laptop, or even a tablet, the process is the same. Once the portal loads, sign in if required. If you're already signed in, you can move straight to the next step. If not, enter the email address and password connected to your Epic Games account and complete the login process. After signing in, look over to the left panel on the account page. You should see several account options there. Find and select Linked Accounts. This is where Epic Games lets you connect outside platforms like PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, and others. Once you click Linked Accounts, the page will open with all the available services you can connect. Now, from the list of options, select Nintendo account. This tells Epic Games that you want to connect your Epic profile to your Nintendo profile. After selecting it, click Continue. At this point, Epic Games will take you through the official linking procedure and you'll be redirected to sign into your Nintendo account if needed. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You may be asked to confirm permissions or verify that you want the accounts connected. Make sure you read each prompt before continuing, especially if you're linking the accounts for the first time. Once everything is approved, the connection process will finish automatically. When the setup is complete, your Epic Games account and Nintendo account should now be linked successfully. That means you can use the same Epic profile across supported Nintendo games and keep your account information connected properly. If you ever need to check the connection again, just return to the Linked Accounts section in your Epic Games portal. And that's it. You've now linked your Epic Games account to your Nintendo account. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.